to my channel. Today I'm making a smoothie using a few simple ingredients. I'm using half a cup of blueberries frozen, 1 cup almond milk unsweetened, 3-4 strawberries, 1 medium-sized banana, handful of kale. I'm also using a tablespoon of honey to give more sweetness to the smoothie. So let's begin. So that's all for today. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, stay healthy, stay tuned. Bye.